Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Yandex browser on your phone. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to download the Yandex browser, you just simply have to open your Play Store application. Now, after opening the application, you can see the search bar at the top. Simply click into that search bar and then you have to search Yandex browser in there. After searching for the Yandex browser with Protect application will appear. You just simply have to click into the application and you will see the blue install button there. Click into that blue install button, and after doing these very easy steps, your Yandex browser application will successfully be downloaded depending on your internet connection. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.